back to Let's Cook That. Today we'll be making an easy and simple soup that'll be perfect for your kids, or even if not for your kids, for anybody, especially when it's cold, or even if it's not cold, it's perfect as well, with some simple ingredients, really cheap to make, so it's not expensive to make at all. And it's called a sopita de conchitas, which a Mexican shell soup. So the ingredients will be a bag of the small shells, which are the conchitas. Then we have 2 garlic cloves, half an onion, consomé de pollo, and then we have a tomato sauce, a can of corn, and of course some water, and I will be using 1 tablespoon of oil. So I went ahead and preheated some oil, about a tablespoon, in a pot, and we're going to go ahead and add our shells because we need to fry it to get them golden brown. I'm going to add the garlic and I'm going to add the onion. So we're just going to go ahead and fry it so they could get nice and brown. Make sure you keep on stirring it because you don't want your shells to burn either. It's kind of like when you're making Mexican rice that you have to keep on moving the rice. Same here, just keep on moving them so they should all get nice and brown. So once your shells look like this, it's time to add the water. I'm going to go ahead and add I need more water, so I'm going to add the other 4 cups. So it was a total of 8 cups of water for that small bag of shells, which I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. And then we're going to go ahead and add our corn. Of course, strain it before you put it in your soup. And then you're going to add your tomato sauce. Let's get all the tomato sauce. And your caldo de pollo. We're gonna add 2 of the small teaspoons. Then we'll stir it. Then we'll taste it to see if it's good or if it needs more. I think I could use 1 more, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 3. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put it to medium, cover it up. We'll let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we will reduce the heat to low. So it's been 8 minutes and this came to a boil. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and reduce the heat to low, and we'll cook it for another 10 or 15 minutes, or as soon as your shells are ready. After we put it to low, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the cover just a little bit so this thing could come out. I don't want to get a spill. And when you add your water, make sure it's room temperature water, or if you can, hot water, it's better, because you don't want to bring down the temperature. So we'll go ahead and give it like 10 to 15 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. As you can see, the shells are done. You could notice it right away when they're done. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is remove the onion and the garlic. Or turn it off and let it cool down a little bit because this is too hot. Look how good this looks. Your kids will love it. So it's all done. We made it in less than 30 minutes. Smells very delicious, you guys, and your kids will love it. I personally like to squeeze some lime and some hot sauce like tapatio because it tastes delicious. But let's go ahead and try this. But before, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and share it on your social medias with your friends and stuff so they could see it as well. But let's go ahead and give it a try. It's very hot. Very good, you guys. The corn gives it a different flavor. And if you do not want to use tomato sauce, just go ahead and get 2 tomatoes with a piece of onion, a piece of garlic, a little bit of oregano, blend it. Well, cook the tomatoes first and then blend it. And you can replace it for the tomato sauce if you do not want to use tomato sauce. But other than that, give it a try. It's very, very, very good. Thank you for watching and see you next time on Let's Cook That.